One of the ways you can increase your sales on free offers, grow your list at the same time, and but also make sales right away is by offering a free product in your new Move store and making a bump offer for the product. So in this case, we have a free spiritual awakening planner and a upgrade to the full planner. Now, this works well because it's PLR, right? And people are going to want to have more content. In your case, if you're not selling things with private label rights, you want to offer some kind of information or help on identifying the problem and steps to solve the problem would be your free offer. But then perhaps some templates or a service or something that makes it easier and faster for them to make it happen. That's the perfect thing for a bump offer. But let's use this as an example from my team at PLR Finders. So in this case, in order to do a bump offer, you do need to have a custom checkout page. And we have that built already. So we made a simple sign up page. It says click here and it links to another page in the funnel. And we're going to go and look at that page. So you could put whatever you want. It's just the regular thing. When you're making a free offer, you make a dedicated page. We have lots of templates for these funnels or just the pages as well that you can use. But then we will go to the next step, which is the checkout. So all this is a checkout widget, which you can find over here when you go to add widget and you go checkout. And that's what this is. So I'm going to look at the settings and you can see I'm going to go to the products. There's different settings and things you can do, but let's focus on adding the bump offer for now. We have lots of tutorials about doing custom checkouts that you can look at. So we would just go under products. And so we have selected the main product, which is that free product. And we've added a bump offer. And in your case, you would just say, choose the bump offer and you choose the product, and then you can actually edit what it looks like. It has an opportunity to give a headline, the title, and a description as well if you want to show the product image, etc., etc. And then this is what it looks like when you look at it in live. So that's really all it takes. It's a custom checkout widget. You make the product, the main product, $0. You add your other product and explain why they would want to add this to their cart on the process. So that's pretty much it. Let us know if you have any questions, you need help putting it together, and happy to give you a hand.